Move your chair up here and sit down. Get up here.
Here, scoot up closer. There you go. Here, you got another one. You can open all the other ones here in a minute.
Ooh, this so much fun. Ooh, Thomas.
More Thomas, huh?
Yeah. I love this.
You love that, Thomas?
Yes.
What is it?
It's Thomas' book.
Show me.
Is it?
Book.
Show me.
Oh, cool.
Mm.
There's another one. Try that one. That's a big one, too.
Push that door shut.
There's a lot of papers.
Push that fireplace door shut.
Yeah.
You want to open yours on?
We'll wait until you open yours first. Will you close that door? The fireplace door?
Door shut.
Just push it.
Push it. Santa Claus left it open. Push it shut.
Because he was raised in a barn.
The stuff for the monkey to get out.
Okay.
Thank you.
There you go. That's good enough. Just... There you go.
I don't have that.
Thank you. Here you go. Open your box more. See what's inside.
Finish opening it.
Can you open it?
You open it.
Okay, I'll open it. Here.
Whoa!
Oh, clothes. Look at all the clothes. Here. You gotta love that, huh? What else is there?
So, I'll open yours.
Dylan,
Open yours.
We can get on yours.
this one's from me.
Wonder what that is.
I wonder what it is, Dylan. Uh-oh. This one's from Daddy.
And this is mine. And this is all mine.
Not all of them, but most of them. Let's see what you got.
A gun.
What?
A gun.
Is it a big gun?
I got a good one here. Good one.
Is it a big gun, Dylan?
Yeah, your own gun.
I don't see anything.
Now it's all you gun now. See?
I bought that just for you. I bought you a big gun. Here, want me to help? There we go. Here, pull the trigger. See if it makes noise.
That's really loud.
Really loud?
This all you gun now.
That's your gun. Not my gun. What else?
It's your gun.
That big bag right over there.
Ooh.
Come here and get this big bag. Wait a second.
Stay there.
Oh, that's heavy.
Yeah.
See if you can open it. Ow.
Can you open it?
I can't. You open it.
I don't know if I can with one hand.
Try.
Got it.
There. See what's in there.
Look inside. What is it? Can you get it? Let's go ahead and get inside of there.
This.
What is it?
That.
Is that a blanket?
Yeah.
Ugh. Here, pull on the bag. Pull on it.
Pull back.
Pull. There you go. What is it?
It's
It's
blanket.
a big blanket with dinosaurs on it. It's got dinosaurs. Cool.
Yes.
What, these?
Those are Scott's.
Oh. Want to open your stocking? No, that's not yours.
Look up there. There's your stocking hanging on the
Look.
fireplace.
Look. I was gonna get some of that. Some Pez candy. There you go. Look inside of there. See what you got.
This is all heavy.
What is that? It's chocolate.
Candy.
That's chocolate. A little
throw 'em.
Pez dispenser. Don't throw them, you'll break it. What else? What else you got? Boy. What is that? Ooh.
Candy.
It's a sucker.
Yeah. It's kind of soup. It's kind of like a soup.
Yeah.
These are all chocolates.
No, that's not chocolate. That's chocolate.
These
Keep
are all
digging in that sock.
See what else is in there.
Now let's see them.
Dump it out.
There you go. Oh. Wow. Ooh, pudding.
Chocolate.
Chocolate pudding.
Ooh. For me.
Yeah.
For me.
Reese's Pieces.
It's for me.
Oh, look at this.
Ooh.
Silly string. I'll have to show you that here in a little bit. Look, you got a new Thomas movie.
Ooh.
Candy cane.
Candy cane. I love that candy cane. It's
Do you? I think that's it for now. Get a whole bunch more presents to open. But not here.
Over here.
Sit on your bicycle.
Open that.
Come here, let's sit on your bicycle.
Test the bicycle out. See if you like it.
Come here.
Sit on
Come
it.
here, let's sit on this. You get on it? Here. Step up on it here. Let me help you. Whoa!
Whoa.
Handlebars. Hang on the handlebars.
Here, put your feet. There you go.
Oh, I can't get you.
I can.
Look at me.
Push. Push.
Smile.
You're good. You're okay.
Look.
Here, push forward. There you go.
Look.
Look at Papa.
See. Hold me, go.
Okay. I love you. Whoops. Ooh. Merry Christmas, Dylan. Bless you. I think you might need to blow your nose. I love you. Merry Christmas.